In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion in a seamless and efficient manner. Whether you're a productivity enthusiast looking to streamline your workflow or just exploring new ways to connect your favorite tools, this guide will walk you through every step, ensuring a smooth integration process. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once there, you'll see an option to log in. If you already have a ClickUp account, enter your login details and proceed. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before you can follow the next steps. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the ClickUp dashboard where you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it to access various options and select Apps from the list. Once you're in the Apps section, look for the search field. Type Notion into it. You'll soon see Notion appear as a result. Go ahead and click on it to learn more about what this integration offers. Next, you'll want to connect ClickUp to Notion, so look for and click on the Connect button. This action will direct you to the Notion login page where you'll need to enter your email address and password. After successfully logging in, select Continue with Password to proceed with the connection. It's important to allow ClickUp to access specific Notion pages, so click on Select Pages and choose the ones you want ClickUp to have access to. This is crucial for ensuring that the right data gets synced. Once you've selected your pages, click on Allow Access to finalize this part of the process. Now click on Done in ClickUp to wrap up the integration there. Your next step is heading over to Notion to verify the connection. Open Notion and navigate to the settings, which you can find by clicking the drop down at the upper left corner. Then click on Settings followed by Connections. Here, you'll be able to confirm if the connection between ClickUp and Notion has been successfully established. Once verified, switch back to ClickUp to continue. In ClickUp, find the search bar and type Notion to ensure everything is syncing properly. You can now create a new page in Notion directly from ClickUp by clicking on Create New Notion Page. Select a parent page where this new page will reside and then type in a title for your new page. Click Create to generate the page. Finally, you can open and view this newly created page in Notion by clicking the Open in Notion button. You should see the page you just created, affirming the successful integration of ClickUp with Notion. With the connection established, you can now enjoy the improved collaboration and productivity this integration provides.